Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Putri. So today I wanted to show you guys one apps that can rendering in just one click. Okay, let's go. First thing first, you need to search Veras AI at Google. Okay, on the top of your search, you will find Veras, and then you click that. Now you are at Veras AI website. Then click Windows Download. Now you have to open your SketchUp and choose your view. On the top of your plugin, you will see icon Veras AI, and then you click that. On your right side, there is a few things that you can change, and then you click rendering in the lower part. And now you are done rendering. Easy, right? Next, if you wanted to add something or want to add something specific, you just type add user prompt. Okay, just like mine, I want to change the view. I want lake area. So I type lake area and then render. So now you are rendering at lake. Easy, right, to rendering? So now you can rendering in just one click. So that's all from me. Thank you. Bye-bye.